Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivekanand and I am from Bihar. I come from a Hindi medium background and for a long time English felt like a very difficult language for me. But here is the thing, I always believed that learning English is not impossible. It's just a skill and every skill can be learned with practice. So let me tell you a little about myself. I work as a sales executive in the jewelry industry, and as you know, in sales we meet many customers every single day. Sometimes I have to communicate with people who speak English very confidently, and that's exactly when I realized something important. English speaking is not just a language skill, it's actually a confidence skill. To be honest, I was afraid of speaking English. I always used to think, what if I make mistakes? What will people think about me? But then, one day I understood something that completely changed my mindset. The fact is, mistakes are a part of learning. Think about it. When a child learns to walk, they fall many times. But do they stop trying? Of course not. In the same way, when we learn English, we will make mistakes, and that's absolutely normal. So instead of being afraid of mistakes, I decided to start speaking anyway. At first, I focused on simple daily use sentences. For example, I am going to work, I am feeling happy today, I need some time, I will call you later. You see, these small sentences slowly started building my confidence. After that, I started learning new vocabulary. But then I realized something very important. Learning only words is not enough, because at the end of the day, we also need to know how to use those words in our daily life. For example, let's take the word improve. Improve means to become better. Now, let's see how we can use it in a real sentence. I want to improve my English speaking skills. See, it's very simple. So don't just memorize words. Instead, start using them every single day. That's how your English really improves. After that, I made speaking practice a daily habit. Sometimes I practiced for just 10 minutes. Sometimes I practiced for 1 hour whenever I had free time. And you know what? The biggest lesson I learned was consistency. Because you don't need to study English for 8 hours every day. All you need is regular practice. In fact, if you practice for just 30 minutes every day, sooner or later you will notice a big difference in your English. And that's exactly why I started this channel. My goal is not only to improve my own English, but also to help people who are on the same journey. So if you also come from a Hindi medium background, or if you feel nervous while speaking English, then let me tell you one thing, you are not alone. Just start with simple sentences, keep speaking every day, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, never lose your confidence. From now on this channel, I'll share English speaking lessons, daily use sentences, conversations, vocabulary, and my own learning journey. So let's learn English together step by step. After all, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.